Snail.
Nice. Black ones, they're more tasty. Guys, I managed to. Ow, don't bite.
Thank you.
What's up, bro? What's up? Along. Let's go. Hi, guys. Welcome to another vlog. We're out here in Tamini and we're going to catch snails. Yes, let's go. Let me just lock the car. And there you go. Oh shit. Yeah, done. Let's go. We come here every year actually.
Yeah. We have to go up. So.
Yeah, I think we'll have to climb there. Up there in the stream.
It's not even visible at the moment.
Yeah, but the water is quite clear.
We have to go up. Let's go up. Oh.
We have guests today. 3 new guests. Let's go. I'm wearing Crocs. I forgot my shoes. And someone else also forgot their shoes. Let's go.
Oh, nice.
Nice and very beautiful. Look at that. Photo session?
Yes.
Let's go. Look at that top and the fog going from there. Actually raining right now. Not sure if you can see. Okay, raining heavily. Let's go, let's go. Yeah, nice. Oh, crabs. You can also find crabs in these holes. Let's see if I can see something.
Oh, what is that? No one is blaming because it's like this in many places. How we go to river stream. Catch fish.
Bro already went down. Bro is risking his life. Give. Come. Grip is quite strong. Yeah.
Oh, you got
Nice.
Oh, not lemon. That is Kali Maina, the one that you guys ate last time. Black one. Can we eat? It's not there. No. Oh, there is worm. Go. Oh, I haven't seen.
This is the view. Pretty. In the rain.
You can't find anything out there,
I can if you want me to. I'm more focused on capturing the moments. Here for you. Yeah, baby, big one. Oh, Abai, how many you caught?
See, look at how much I got. Oh, I got a lot, even one crab.
Oh my god, bro. What's up, bro? What's up? Baby crab. It's gonna be the chutney for tonight. Crab chutney for 5. So peaceful. Sound of the water. Guys, I managed to catch some big snails. At the same time, she managed to catch some crabs. Show the crabbies. Oh man, we have 2 crabs ready for our lunch. Let's go. And we have our crab hunter right there. Bro, I need one for the camera. Hunt one live, please. You're not scared of the bite? Or it's not that hard? It's not that painful. But if you, by mistake, if there's a big one, you might feel the pain.
There's no crab here.
All small ones.
Small ones, small ones. Not that painful.
Okay. Let's go crab hunting. Anything?
He went inside. The crab just went inside. Need to find the hole. Where's the hole? Oh, it's here. See?
Found it?
Yeah.
Is it big?
Oh, nice.
It's a black
nice.
one.
Black one. I like black ones. They're more tasty. Full of fat. No, you don't
No,
need to
it's
break.
okay.
Just put it.
No, it'll.
It won't come out. That's the one. Got it finally. Thank you.
Yo.
Yo, Nagas.
Even there is one.
Naga power.
See.
Where?
See.
Can't come so fast. Show me your achievement.
Here is my achievement.
Nice. Woo! Finally. Crab for the year. Stun.
No, this is the third crab.
Oh. Nice. Oh, you found? Oh my god, nice.
Put it.
So put him in. Yeah, bro. Nice. Nice. Look at it. Oh my god, bro might come out. The height is less. Yeah. Did it bite you?
No.
How come?
That you have to press his fangs.
No, when you are going inside.
No.
I know how to catch on the floor. I don't know how to catch with the hole.
I know how to get when it's already cooked.
Oh wow.
When it's already cooked, right? Okay.
She wins.
Where is it?
We found a big crab. It's here.
It's here.
Oh. Nice. Easy.
Easy.
Ow.
Ow. Don't bite.
It's not that painful. Okay.
Yay, nice. Woo. Three.
Let's go. We got 3. Oh, big one. Show me the big one in the plastic. Plastic lady.
This one. See.
Nice. Whoa.
Here, now. 4. I got 4. 4.
Good,
I
good,
got
good.
3.
Nice crabs.
Nice. Even she got like 3, 4.
Yeah, this one was very easy. Even I could have catch. Because he does not have a hole to go inside.
Yeah, but
If it's out, I can catch. I can't catch from inside.
I can't even get it outside.
Come on. Move it. Oh, nice. Crab day.
Oh, the snail there.
Crab and snail day. Let's go.
Oh, big. Oh, nice. One is a real hero.
Hey, that's a very small one. It's not a big one. Crab hunting in the mountains.
This how common ah. This how crab here. Small. Many small. Big, very little. Dapat. It's not there.
Show it to the camera.
Chala, go.
What do you call it in your language?
Barlang.
See there. Give it to me. Show. Warlang. We got a warlang. Let's go. Warlang.
Oh.
Yeah. What do you call it? Kokli one.
Yes.
Yes. We'll cook this again with our food. I'm just getting it washed and ready. Still catching snails, huh?
Hey, what is that?
Hello everyone. Our hunting is finally done. So now we are going to eat food. Looking for a picnic spot with this beautiful view. Fog up. Fog is there. There's waterfall. There's greenery. And there's our people waiting for the mat. How's it going?
Yes, preparing the rice.
So, what are we eating?
We are going to have YY first and we'll wait for the rice to get cooked and after that we'll cook fish. Come, let's eat.
Bạn sao chả bằng cái cắtเลยá?
Mới
Đây. Nepali really like YY sateko, right?
Yeah.
I know a lot of Nepali food. Momo also.
Introduce yourself.
No.
What's your name?
Mine is Ako.
Ako.
AKO, yeah.
AKO. Yours?
I'm at home.
Madhu. Yours?
Everyone knows my name. Ape. It's Ape. And yours?
Let's go. New name. I am the YouTuber, so.
Ay.
Rice is getting cooked. We also have this amazing view.
Don't be nervous.
Yes,
Yeah.
got it, bro.
Nice.
Just trying to cook.
Just got done with rice. Ah,
This one.
I like the oil that you're using. Mustard oil, right?
Yeah, it's mustard oil.
Nice.
Ay, Shopray, try this Shopray.
Some fish, our very favorite. This is bamboo shoot. Bye bye, we're done eating.
Huh?
Preparing the onion.
Can you lower down the gas?
Guys, it started raining heavily. So we are stuck. I am also getting wet.
You go inside there.
Bros are there.
What is it there?
And one is here.
She's safe.
Hey, I'm getting wet.
I'm getting
I'm ready to eat. Rice.
YouTuber.
Very nice. And our fish, yummy yummy. With some leaves, of course. Mint leaves, parsley.
What's it there? Clean that water.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
That's
really
natural water. Here, little girl, please don't eat that. Food is ready.
Let's drink good.
Little girl who's electric girl.
They're twinkle.
Not silly. Yeah, this is from Nagaland.
Oh, Naga.
That is from Manipur. That's from Dimang.
I guess now you know. It's not quite good, yeah. Good to keep in these wild places to keep yourself safe.
That's the best knife to chop an onion and a tomato.
Yep, we already saw in the start of the video.
Yeah.
Let's go. Start serving.
Turn off the gas, please.
It's off.
Có rang pass có bên nàng nhiều rang bờ.
Pass it to the little girl.
Thank you.
แล้วใครไม่ใช่อะไรจิ๋มนิ่มละ
ใช่ก็ทำเนี่ย
เข้มถามละ
Let's start.
Yeah, me.
After a long time, I'm eating with my hand.
Burn your hand today.
Where were your hands before this?
No, I just eat with spoon.
She has a golden
You
spoon.
don't know how to. Don't take this one.
She has a golden spoon.
You know, golden.
They have begun eating.
Yeah, I already eat. Let's
When
start.
you eat, make noise and you.
Shurude. Like.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not
Today, let's begin.
Today means let's begin. Today means let's
Too hot,
eat.
too hot. Mm.
Naga
Wow.
miss.
It's still hot.
It's still hot. So obviously we just put it down.
Have to eat while it is
No.
cold.
We can use the mat.
From Saili.
Yeah.
Yeah, from Sally.
From say,
It's for him.
From Say.
not this.
It's for the YouTuber.
The YouTubers, are you gonna eat now or after? Tell me.
After watching everyone.
It's
Thank
yours.
Still for burn tayo.
you. It's mine. Let's go.
No.
Let's eat. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you on the next one.